I'm James Newell, and today I'm looking at the top 5 things you can do with a Roku device. I've owned the Roku Streaming Stick Plus for several years, a device that not only streams in HD, 4K and HDR, but also has a voice remote, making life just that little bit easier. So in this video I'd like to run through the top 5 things I love about the Roku. But first, if you haven't done so already, please help support the channel by subscribing today. After all, it's free and it would be very much appreciated. Number 5. Volume leveling. For those with good hearing, inconsistent volume levels can be extremely irritating, especially when the advertisements are louder than the program you're watching. This is something I typically find in YouTube, when an advert, which often has no bearing upon anything I'm interested in, comes on with a volume level higher than the video I was watching. This can now be addressed with volume leveling, which effectively brings the highest and lowest volume levels close together. To enable this, press your star button on the remote while you're watching a program. Select volume mode and then select volume leveling. Number 4. Channel choice. There are thousands of channels on the Roku to watch, many of which have numerous programs within them to select from. For example, depending on where in the world you are, Pluto has more than 100 channels and numerous movies and TV series to watch for free. It may not be the latest content, but it is good and it's rapidly growing, with 64 million users currently watching it monthly. Another is Roku's own channel, the Roku channel, providing access to thousands of free movies, TV programs and documentaries. And you can add paid-for channels too, including Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Now TV simply called Now, Disney Plus, Apple TV and many more. And it's not just TV channels you can add, but also games and music too, where if you have a subscription for any of these accounts, for example Spotify or Tidal, you can link to them. Adding channels is very easy. Press the home button on your controls, select streaming channels. Search for the channel or channel type you're interested in, and then add them to your home screen. Number 3. Voice control. I absolutely love this feature on the Roku, and it's something I wish I'd used from the start. The ability to control and search for items using voice control. Now, it may not be as comprehensive as voice control on some other streaming devices, but it is still good, covering the main things you would expect from voice control, such as the ability to search for a specific channel or film, searching by genre, or even searching for films or programs with a specific actor in. Leonardo DiCaprio. However, for myself, I think the biggest advantage for using Roku's voice control is its ability to work within channels such as YouTube and Netflix, something not all media streaming devices can do. This is a huge time saving, where previously I've had to type in all my searches. In fact, I think the ability to do this alone makes voice control on the Roku one of its best features. Military jets. The Witcher. However, not all Roku devices came with a voice remote, and if this is the case for you, then you can now buy an official voice remote that is compatible with older devices. Alternatively, and a free option, is to download and use the official Roku Smartphone App, where if you prefer, you can use the microphone that's built into the app instead. More on the Roku mobile app shortly. Number 2. Personalising your home screen. With so many channels available to download and install, the ability to personalise your Roku's home screen is a big advantage, particularly if your Roku is your main source of media, or if you have lots of different channels. For example, you can tailor your home screen so it only has the channels that you are interested in. You can change the look and feel of your home screen by changing its theme, and you can change a screensaver. Number 1. Using your smartphone as a remote control. This is a fantastic feature on the Roku and something I've been using for the last year. The ability to use your smartphone as a voice-enabled remote control through the use of Roku's official smartphone app. The app is available for Apple iOS and Android. I've added links in the description below, where it effectively acts as a second controller, particularly handy if you've lost your main controls or simply prefer to use your phone instead. Not only does the app give you all the benefits that come with Roku's standard voice remote, but it also has a keyboard giving you the versatility to type in usernames, passwords, carry out searches and more. And if you've got your headphones connected to your phone, then you can watch your favourite TV series or film without anyone else in the room having to listen to it. Simply press the headphone button in the app. And these are just 5 things I love about the Roku. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe below and hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.